So Mastar Media released a new Omni God versus well, I think it's new, versus Saitama animation. It was awesome. The OG Mastar Media. They really tried to destroy him for making that fan animation. It's crazy. Wild story if you haven't heard about it. But let's draw Omni Goku. It's kind of like Ultra Instinct. I'm going to do the Ultra Instinct hair because I think it's cooler than the single sort of Beast Gohan strand of hair. But that's just my personal preference. You know, you could change the hair up if you wanted. So it's a portrait of him looking sort of angry, facing forward. So we'll start with the W in the middle of the forehead. Looks like a pitchfork or a W. And then the eyebrow comes out from there, so you just do like a check mark. And then a square end. And then you bring it back down. And then we do a check mark. And square end. Back down. And then we get some frowning lines. And we do the eyes. So we get a short line, a long line, and then we bring them together. Now there is glowing orange around these eyes. So you can draw them in or just do them with color. It's kind of up to you. But we'll do a short line, long line over this side, and bring them together. And those are the shapes for his eyes. I'll just check if they're actually drawn in or not. Okay, so it seems like in most of them, it's just done with color. But I will, just so we know where they are. So we'll just go around again, real thin, right? So you just go there. It's kind of the same as Super Saiyan 4, you know? Like just around the eye. You're just tracing sort of around it again. And it's kind of glowing sort of orangey red. And then he's looking real angry, so you do a half circle coming from the eyebrow and a half circle for the pupil. And we do the same thing on the other side. Half circle, half circle. Right, well maybe I'll add like another little wrinkle just underneath his nose here, just make him look sort of super angry. And then we have the cheek marks, so these kind of lines that go just on top of his cheek under his eye, like a check mark, like his eyebrow to get you started, and then there's just two dashes after it. So in the nose, so kind of left of center, you just do this sort of hook shape. It's like a fishing hook, or like an upside down question mark. And the shadow is normally drawn in, or the bridge of the nose normally drawn in just on the side there. And then a very flat mouth. And if you want to make him super grumpy, like super serious, turn down the sides. And then we do bottom lip shadow. And then we'll go chin, square, strong Goku chin. And then strong jaw. So you're going to go out to the mouth level and underneath the corners of his eye. So like his jaws are normally in this space, right? Underneath this part of his eye, like there, and then under here and here, right? So just like it's actually probably in line maybe with his nose in this case. Sometimes it's mouth, sometimes it's in that area anyway. And then underneath the corners of the eye. So you want to bring them across. Okay. And then you change your direction up towards his ears. Now you've got a big hair spike coming along here. You could do the one hair spike if you want to do it like Master. I'm doing it like an Ultra Instinct sort of hairstyle because I kind of like that. It's kind of cool. I just prefer it. And it's okay to change things, you know. It's your drawing, so. So then, he's got a V just here. And this is where the hair spikes come out, right? So this one comes down, around, and the next one. And then we have his sort of hairline going that way, hairline going that way, and then there's these texture lines just underneath. Other hair spike here, another one there, and then big Dragon Ball ears. Okay, so we got that letter A, that upside down A. So you can start with like a V just in the middle, just here, and then you do the upside down A shape. Like so, and that's kind of glowing orange. So then hair spikes, start from behind his neck. So I'll do his big wide neck here. And then we get sort of hair spikes just coming out this way. And then we get the sort of round part of his head then. And then these hair spikes go up and off my page. This is like the biggest one. It goes back down, they get gradually smaller as we go down to just the back of his neck. Then again. Like so. And then we'll go texture lines on each sort of hair spike then. So you're just like following the direction of each one, just adding some of these texture lines just to make it look a little bit more hairy. Right, then neck muscles in here. So that's the hatching, and then the trapezius comes over the top of it. So real strong looking now, real strong Goku. Big round shoulders, crazy big deltoid muscles. He does lateral raises a lot. Side delt is huge. Right, and then these neck muscles, this sort of Y always goes to the center of your chest. So like this is always going to be the center of his chest. And then the shoulder muscles, or the, what are they called? Chest, pectoral muscles. Comes out this way. And you get like another little sort of shoulder and bump there. And then these come back around underneath either side. It's kind of like armor, you know, except it's muscles. And then we go. Okay, and then deltoid there, bicep. You can kind of see bicep there, and like this is like his body, and then tricep muscles and forearm just bump off that way. We'll do, there's like a deltoid muscle here, like just curving around. We just copy this arm on the other side, more or less. Doesn't have to be exactly the same. And then anatomy inside here. So his sort of, that's like his lats, his sort of back muscles. And then you get his hips just there. And then we get ripped and torn gi. So it's just like a scraggly line. Kind of curves all down that way. And we got to do abs inside here. So like six pack. So a lot of detail on the six pack in this. So we'll do a curve there, and then you do a diamond on the bottom. And then we do a curve, and then a diamond again. And then out from that, we get the abdominal muscles. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And this one. There. And like this is like his obliques, you know. Just sort of these letter Y kind of shapes down the side of his body. So we have that Omni sort of thing that's coming out of his heart. So we get like this circle. I put the, it's not a closed circle because it runs down his arm. It's like it's following his veins or something. So it like bumps down with the contours of the muscle. And it's all colored red. So this like bumps across his chest. All right, Mastar Media's kind of with a twist with the hair, my version of his Omni Goku. I like this form. I think it's good. So, I hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.